A lot of questions from clients about putting assets in trust before they get married as a device to try to protect themselves in the event the marriage becomes non-functioning. So I get a lot of questions also in the comments section of my videos about using trust. So first of all, this topic is an excellent topic, but it's beyond the scope of a YouTube video. It's a very complicated area of law. There's a lot of things that need to fall into place. You got to know what provisions need to be in the trust, who the trustee is, whether there's a spendthrift provision in the trust. So there's all these different things that need to be in the trust. Now, a trust isn't an asset. It's really just a vehicle to hold assets. But if you have access to the assets in the trust, that's not going to protect you very well come divorce time. But there are vehicles in the form of trust that will protect you, but you really have to follow the rules. And it's almost impossible for a non-lawyer to draft a trust that will protect you in the event of divorce. There's certain areas of the law that are very specialized, drafting trusts, quadros, qualified domestic relations orders, certain other types of transactional work that are very specialized that only certain lawyers do. So I'm going to put that out there. You want somebody that's really specialized in estates and trusts and experienced in drafting a trust for the purpose of protecting your assets in the event of divorce. Now, prenups are another area of the law that not a lot of lawyers do because they're complicated and the laws vary widely from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. It's not a do-it-yourself document, especially if you're not a lawyer. But other lawyers refer prenups to me and other lawyers who draft prenups. So word to the wise, you don't want to buy a prenup off the internet or try to get out of a form book because it's going to get set aside most likely. All right? I just want to talk about trust for a second. They are a good vehicle, but not if they're not done right. Be careful out there. You might have to spend a little bit of money, but it'll be worth it if things don't work out in the long run in your marriage. And I hope they do work out and you stay out of my office and you live a happy life, all right? Go do something that makes you happy with the money. Don't go through a bad marriage and get divorced. Be careful out there.